It's make or break day for Bitcoin and also the stock market. Let's go over my call yesterday, which was wrong, and also talk about why this is such an important day from a technical standpoint and also from a particular bit of data we're going to be getting. So yesterday, I thought that Bitcoin was looking ready to actually go to the upside on shorter term timeframes. That was incorrect. Today, we have rallied and recovered entirely what we lost the other day, but we're still in a really, really vulnerable position. Because at 8:30, which is basically 50 minutes from the time of me making this video, we will be getting the CPI data release. And if that comes out positive, you'll see things do really well. If that comes out negative, you will see things crash. And that has more to do right now with the positioning of the stock market. The S&P 500 yesterday had a truly horrendous day that broke the 55-day exponential moving average with confidence. Now, we had one of these days prior as well, but the market was able to rally immediately. And every single time we've come below the 55-day EMA, we have rallied. However, we have already slammed through this support, kerslammed. We've already kerslammed through this support. And if we get bad CPI data today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, this is totally ready to fall, as we've been talking about. And our Moxie indicator hasn't been this bearish in almost an entire year for the stock market. And if the stock market starts crashing like I have been kind of calling for it to do, then I don't really expect good things for Bitcoin. However, if you zoom into Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we've broken out bullishly from this really long downwards channel. And downwards channels tend to break out to the upside. And this would actually have a target for Bitcoin, closer to about $70,000 for a breakout. But this pattern could be confirmed with a good CPI data report we get, or totally invalidated and we see a further slide for Bitcoin if CPI data comes in hot. Zooming out though, Bitcoin on the weekly is sitting in our golden pocket still between the 200-week EMA and the 200-week simple moving average. And typically in a bear market, you do see an opportunity where it does dip out of this pocket, at least for a brief period of time. Now, maybe if we have a full-blown stock market crash while Bitcoin's already this week, we see a dramatic fall past our historical golden pocket. That is something to be aware of. But as of right now, based on historical trends, Bitcoin is still in a pretty damn good place to dollar cost average. We just got to keep our eyes on the stock market and how Bitcoin reacts to it. But based on how Bitcoin reacted to the stock market and gold slamming down yesterday, with Bitcoin also slamming down, if the stock market slams down, I do expect Bitcoin to go down lower. That is the update for the day. Good luck to all of us with the CPI data report release. Do good things, be good people, make a bunch of money.